Using high pressure on a wood deck can cause it to splinter and crack prematurely, so using the appropriate soaps and using low pressure to clean it is ideal. Again, whenever we clean wood decks, we don't want to use high pressure. We're using a high volume, low pressure system that cleans it thoroughly without causing any damage.
Good tip for any homeowner or DIYer that's cleaning their own deck themselves is that whenever you're using your pressure washer to go across the wood, if at all possible, you want to go an entire board's length with the wand as opposed to starting and stopping in the middle of the board, because you can leave gouge marks in the board. But if you go the full length with a nice even stroke, you're more likely to end up with a nice smooth board when you're finished cleaning.
Thanks for watching. This is Josh with Judge Services, and if you'd like to get an estimate for exterior cleaning, just give us a call at 618-525-3406 or register for an estimate at judgeservices.com.